Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Eat.
Look who's back. My partner in crime is back.
I finally graduated.
Everyone smash the like button for that.
Yes.
Boom. But yeah, but we're going here to try some,
Let's not keep walking.
some Asian street food at a place called MUSHI Ni. We'll put that in the link below because, you know, as you can tell already, I don't know where we at. We'll put that in the link below. Gonna try some MUSHI Ni. Yeah. I missing anything? No. Oh, let's go eat. So we here at this nice little street food looking spot here.
Hey, you gotta speak louder, man.
At this nice looking street food looking spot here. No, but it's pretty cool. They got like 4 different street food places in here. You see, you got Suki.
No, this is the whole thing is called Suki.
Yeah, but you got some ramen here. You got like some $4 pho. You got some poke burritos. But what we ordered is hitting the table right now.
Got
Look
you
at
that
it.
right there, and then I got you 3 sauces. I don't have to worry about double dipping.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
See, and these were like our snack Tokyo fries. Just came in.
So Tokyo fries
It's
are
hot.
basically French fries tossed in umami spices with truffle sriracha mayo.
Yo, that's pretty good. They remind me of
I need
like,
more of this.
like what fries are those? Arby fries. Well, a little extra on it.
A little extra.
And then, you know, yeah. Sriracha mayo, whatever. You can't go wrong with that. Whew. And boom, like magic, our food is here. So, as you can see, you already seen the fries, but we got the pancake. What's this in it? Which pancake is this again?
That one, we had 2. No, we had one.
One.
We got the beef one.
Yes.
So this pancake is a flaky and crispy Asian flatbread stuffed and sauce and folded with beef, with soy sauce, sriracha mayo, and wonton crunch.
And the bows. Look at these bows.
We got
man.
the 6-pack right now.
They're beautiful. We got an octopus, tempura shrimp, duck, chicken with the, you see that quill leg on top?
Oh.
What was that? Rib and the pork belly.
I'm gonna say, how do you remember that? I don't remember that.
Because they're delicious.
Oh.
At least they look that way.
Get out of here.
We only have enough for like maybe 2 people per person, so we're gonna play a
Yeah,
game
we're
for
gonna play a
these.
game.
It's called White Hand, Black Hand. And
It's a Vietnamese game.
you do like this, and on 3, the odd man out doesn't get 1. So Fee's playing 2.
Ready?
Set, go.
1, 2, 3.
She's trying to cheat.
She's cheating.
No.
1, 2, 3, go.
You
Y'all
have
cheated! Y'all went first!
We up first, Fee. Which one did you want, bro?
You pick away.
Alright, we go with the duck right here. Oh yeah. Woo. Split this in half with my guy Fee. Oh, it smells amazing, Teresa. Oh yeah. Ooh. It's so soft. The duck is so good. Like it has a good amount of sauce that comes through on there. Oh man. And you know duck's kind of sweet, at least I think so. Man. I hope I don't lose any. 1, 2, 3, go.
We got this is a chicken one, right?
Yeah, the
with
chicken.
With a small little quail
with the,
egg.
look at that quail egg, man.
Split it nice and thin.
I feel like you're gonna miss out on this one, let's do it like barbarians, yo.
Split it up.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even cut the
chicken
egg.
out. Oh yeah, there we go. It has chicken and it has, it's a chicken sausage with quail egg.
Oh, really?
See a little sausage there? My hands are a mess.
Oh, it is chicken sausage and
Ready?
sriracha mayo.
Oh no.
Hey.
Go. A little creamy. I think the duck was way better, but
I like it. The sausage is nice and tender.
I do like the sausage.
The spicy mayo,
Oh, powers it a little bit for
yeah,
me.
definitely makes it a lot more creamier. But I like it.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Ah!
We're going for the rib, like, cause you know I seen you looking
That
at it.
boy peaching.
Woo!
I hate y'all.
Look at it. Woo! Oh, to the winner, to the victor goes the spoils, right? Let's get in there. Oh, that's a lot more savory than I was expecting. What about it?
Let's go.
Savory, but the best things about this, to me, is the bao. It's so soft, so spongy,
It's so fluffy.
so great.
Oh my God.
So it keeps up all that juices and stuff. Mm.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So this is the pork belly.
That's some thick slices
Yeah,
of pork though.
that is very thick slices, and you see a little bit of fat on that too. I hope it's not too overpowering.
Need a little spice.
So definitely, it's really fatty, savory, but also like, it's like, it needs a little bit of extra something to help it stand out from the bao. Because like if you eat too much of it, it kind of start meshing, the flavors mesh together.
That's enough for the game, I guess. There's only 2 left, and Teresa, she doesn't eat shrimp. I'll take the shrimp, and she'll take the octopus. That's a big piece of shrimp, though. All right, guys, here we go. Ooh. Reminds me of sushi. Can we taste the shrimp? It tastes a lot of the spicy mayo. But you get a hint of that shrimp in there. It's in there. This was okay for me.
So now we're gonna try the octopus. Nice big piece of octopus right there.
Cut right through that octopus. Now that tentacle action. Going full anime hit.
The octopus is really tender. I bit right through it.
It's good, it's good.
It's a little fishy though. I don't like that.
Fishy.
Yeah, it tastes like a little fishy. I don't know if it's the sauce or like the actual octopus, but nice and tender. It's savory because of the sauce that's on it. All right, so last but not least, we have our savory pancakes. Hold on, let's see what the menu says.
No game for this one since, you know, it's
Oh,
enough.
I already read it.
Cutting perfectly for all of us. So
Yeah.
we can all just take a piece. You go
Go first.
first, ladies first.
All right.
Oh, it's thick.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Mm.
Want to see the inside?
Ooh, thick. A feces. Nicki Minaj thick. Kim K thick.
Ready? Cheers.
Super crunchy.
You can zoom in on that. You see how flaky that crust is? Really nice.
Super flaky. I'm not sure what the sauce is, but it's kind of like a savory sauce, kind of sweet. It's a sweet soy sauce. Kind of sweet. You can taste those mushrooms in there, and the green onion, not green onions, but you know, onions, and a little scallion on top. You can taste it all. And then it has a nice crispy layer of that flaky pancake, which is pretty good.
Again, it's not like overpowering. Everything kind of marries together pretty well.
My only gripe, at least personal gripe, I didn't know it had mushrooms in there, and I am not a fan of mushrooms. But yeah, overall, it's a pretty cool spot. Like you say, you get like the street vibe, the feel. You got your options here.
Food's really unique and
Food
stuff
was
like
there. The
that.
service, the guy was super.
Yeah.
Explained everything perfectly. Recommended stuff, you know, perfect service. And then, like, you know, if you come here and you don't want bao, you can get you some $4 pho, like you said. You can get you some ramen.
Yeah, there's like 4 different 1, 2.
Yeah.
There's like 4 different restaurants in this one area. But you know, if you come on a busy day, don't really expect to find any kind of seating.
Yeah, you get it to go.
Yeah. There's like about 7 picnic tables and a lot of them were filled up.
That was another installment of Let's Eat. You probably won't see us again until Arizona. Yeah, we're taking the show not abroad, but you know, we're doing some traveling now, so you'll see us in Arizona next. So I guess subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, share it with your friends, and you know, leave us some comments. So
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off
yeah,
the
you don't gotta take our word for it.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend